Ipsters, it's me, Jared Bailey, the global brow expert for Benefit Cosmetics, and today we're in the Benefit Boutique and I'm going to show you what I like to call the little black dress of brow products, Gimme Brow Plus, because with this product you can wear your brows many different ways, and today I'm showing you 3. You may even get one of these guys in this month's IPSY Glam Bag. This is Megs, and for her, we're giving her what I like to call the weekender. You know, it's brushed up, it's loose, kind of like those weekend plans. So to create this look, what you want to do is take Gimme Brow Plus, and on her, I'm going to use shade 1, and brush the hair upward towards the hairline and then outward towards the temple. And if that's not enough, feel free to repeat and build it as you go. For Micaela, we're going to create a more polished look, the kind that you're seeing all over Instagram right now, where we keep it tight, but there's still lots of texture. Now to do that, you want to pick a color that's a little bit lighter than your hair color. So for Micaela, I'm going to use a shade 3, and I'm just simply going to brush it through the brow. Then I'm going to take a hard angle brush, and I'm going to stipple in product anywhere that needs a little bit more loving. For Sarah, we're going El Naturel. We're gonna use Gimme Brow in shade number 5 to really mimic the same color as her hair. Now, to do this, I'm gonna tease it. No, I know what you're thinking, not that kind of tease. I'm gonna work from the back of the brow and tease it towards the start. Then I'm gonna re-dip the wand and tame it to set it. Thanks so much for watching IPSY. I hope that inspires you to get out your IPSY Glam Bag, pull out the Benefit Gimme Brow, and try something different with your eyebrows, people.